Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Jordan 3 by Jordan Brand in the lucky green colorway. It comes in a white box with a gold Jumpman logo on the lid. Inside the box comes with shoes in white and gold 23 branded paper. A translucent green Jumpman hag tag is attached. A classic cement Jordan box would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Like its name suggests, this is a white cement Jordan 3 with lucky green overlays that sits on a yellowed midsole for a vintage look. It features a grey Jumpman Air branding at the heel with a red embroidered Jumpman on its tongue. However, I saw your common Jordan 3 defects, like the uneven cement print and midsole paint. It comes in women's sizing and I stay true to my US men's 10. Overall, it's a safe, clean colorway for those who might have missed out on the recent Jordan 3 white cement reimagined. It's a pass for me, but it's a nice release in time for summer. As usual, purchase links will be in the YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment unlucky to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.